My mother actually found Attorney Seaver. I had been doing aggressive searches online, looking on different boards, looking for different information on different attorneys, and my mother came across Attorney Seaver in regards to some videos that he had posted about DCF and some of the high-profile cases that he had covered and some of the cases that he had that were on the news. And she said, "This is our guy. This is a man who wins cases. This is who we need to see you as a person who will help you in this ridiculous situation that DCF has put you in." Attorney Seaver gave me his personal cell phone number. He called me on his personal cell phone. He would send me text messages of information and updates. When I called for him, it was him who answered the message. He has a fantastic support staff as well. And if he was unavailable for any which reason, he was getting back to me within the hour. And that's not what I was seeing with the other attorneys. That wasn't what was happening. There was no communication, there was no expertise. But Attorney Seaver had the communication, he had the expertise, he had everything that I needed for my case, and I knew I needed him in order to win. Seeing all of the ratings, seeing the videos supporting, Attorney Kevin Seaver as, being someone who you want as representation, seeing, the 5 out of 5 stars, excellent, excellent, excellent. It gave me confidence. As you're searching for an attorney, it can be a scary situation. You don't find many attorneys that have those type of ratings. You don't find many attorneys who have, videos that are talking about, how fantastic they are and how they changed lives. And Attorney Kevin Seaver had that. So entering into his office, I knew that I was entering the office of an individual who cared about their clientele, who had a good rapport with them. It takes people are quick to, say negative things about people, but they're not very quick to say the best. And all you see is the best about Attorney Kevin Seaver. The time, the effort, everything that him and his team put into my case made it easy, successful, and made me feel like a person. He gave me my life back. If you're sitting on the fence in regards to hiring Attorney Kevin Seaver to represent you in your DCF case, you need to climb down off the fence and take action. He's guiding me, he's protecting me from the things that I don't even know can happen because he knows the law, he knows the statutes. He is the expert in the situation, and it was the best thing I could have done to hire an expert in this field to guide me on my situation, to know that I'm protected and that I'm safe and that he has my best interests at heart. Attorney Kevin Seaver specializes in DCF law. He has a 4.9 out of 5 star rating, which I think should be a 5 out of 5 star rating for everything that Kevin Seaver does. He's been working in DCF law since 1991, and it shows. He's an expert in what he does. I was afraid with my case. I didn't understand why this was happening in my life. I didn't understand what was going on, and I was worried. And I said to Attorney Seaver, "Do you think we can win?" And I'll never forget. He told me, "I don't lose. I will do everything in my power to make sure that we can do everything to win your case." And he did. He did everything in his power in order to have a successful case. He wins cases. He specializes in DCF law.